Imagine if you had $7.8 million asking to be claimed by somebody. That is how the story in this book goes. It's 150 years old. It was 254,000. That would be $7.8 million. And it reads, the personal estate of William Heathcote died on June 12th without a widower, without a child, parent, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, nephew, or niece. And they don't know what to do with this guy's money, and it just sits there and it goes to the treasury. 150 years ago, this happened. You know what? This is still happening today, where we have helped people claim over $55 million in unclaimed funds. It's absolutely crazy. So love this, love getting people paid. Here's a book I have. It's 150 years old, and it has these cool stories about unclaimed money and where it's at and how it goes. Hey, if you want to know how to become a property locator, click the link down below, and I'll see y'all around.